so. Oh, hallelujah. Oh, did I do no shame so da. On my deep and oh yeah, Nina, hallelujah, Nyametasyo. Thank you so much, family. Today is such a pure joy sharing this amazing journey with you. Has been so inspiring and very challenging, but I must say I truly love this challenge. Let me welcome back all the lovely family here back on the Lovey Star channel. It's been amazing. All these few months here has been very amazing, and I really truly feel loved here, and I'm here to say a big thank you because we first made our 1,000 subscribers. We hit our first 1,000 subscribers. We are just about to get started, family. It's so amazing that you all still support me in such a beautiful way. I am truly blessed to have you all here. For someone like me with a very few followings on Instagram and other social media platforms like Snapchat and maybe WhatsApp, that's all that I have. I'm not even on Facebook. So the journey here on YouTube was kind of not, I did not have too much of higher expectations. Yes, when I say that, people say, oh, why were you limiting God? Like, I shared my goals for YouTube on my WhatsApp story, and somebody said, you were kidding me. Like, you didn't know that you'll be able to hit 1,000 in that time of frame. Are you kidding me? Why are you limiting God? And I really felt that, so I'm really thankful to God for the strength and for all the numerous ideas that He gives me on a daily basis. I feel that this is truly one of the things that I have to give to the world. There's a lot more to come, so just keep on supporting, okay? My sincere thanks goes to my family. Oh my goodness, they have been such a stronghold. Every time that I post, I see all my family members sharing my videos. I'm not on Facebook, but when I go to my analytics, I see that lots of views also come from Facebook, which is so amazing. Thank you so much. My mom, she's the reason why I know lots of the recipes that I share here. A big thank you to her. From the beginning, she'll be like, oh, I have post to more, post to more. You see. She has been really very helpful with, on this journey. I thank my brother, my sister. Oh my goodness, my siblings are so supportive. My brother even gave me my first ever intro, which I also said. He's been so supportive. Thank you so much, right? Thank you, Belinda. Thank you to my family in Italy, in Germany, everywhere. Friends, oh my goodness, fellow YouTubers, home chef, you are all so amazing. I know this job is really hard, so when any of the YouTubers come on my page and comment, I really feel that it's so heartwarming, and I'm so thankful to each and every one. Thank you so much. I could go on and on again. I cannot mention all the names. So anyone who has been so supportive to this channel, seeing this video is a huge thank you from me to you, and also for allowing me to be able to make these videos from my home to yours, to your, and there's a lot of people who also direct messaged me on Instagram sharing how they were able to do that. I have had messages from people I've never met before say, oh, this your recipe really was a breakthrough to me, and I'm like, oh my goodness, thank you so much. Like, yeah, it really keeps me moving. I think I have one of the most positive family here on YouTube. Thank you for accepting me. I have come to love YouTube so much, and let me tell you, I'm not I'm not leaving any moment from now, okay? We are here together. We're here to make this channel grow into even a much bigger one, okay? So please keep subscribing, keep commenting, keep liking. The comments really warm my heart so much. So if you can, please do well to leave a comment, leave pictures of your recreations as well, and also please follow me on Instagram if you've not done yet. The same, spellings, you just write Lovey Starch, and I think I'm the first to. There is no one with that name on Instagram. Through my searchings, I've not seen anyone there yet with that name. So please do well to follow me, and let's get more interactive. And this is also going out to you. If you know that, or you feel like YouTube is something that you could do, please stop holding yourself back, okay? Stop doing that. You can do it. As I've previously told you, I film with my phone, edit it on my phone, do basically everything on my phone. So you do not have any excuse. All the phones that are out now are really very powerful. You don't have to get like an exclusive, super exclusive camera to be here on YouTube. All that you need might probably be a lighting to make your videos anyway. So use your phone, do whatever you want to share with the world, and the world will really, really embrace you just the way you are. And you are overthinking, and it's not going to help you. So please come out. If it's makeup that you want to do, if it's hair, if it's food, stop saying that, oh, there's a lot of makeup videos going out there, there's a lot of makeup YouTubers going out there, there's a lot. Stop with holding yourself back, because you can do it. And try and also do it in your own time. Do not let anybody put you under pressure. Try to make it at your own time, because that is when you can actually be consistent, and make sure whatever that you want to share is something that you truly love to do, so that you keep us going, and we will subscribe. Yes, everyone that sees consistency here and good videos is obviously going to subscribe to your channel. Please also know that there's a lot of beautiful recipes, yummy, succulent recipes coming your way this holiday season. So please do well to stay tuned. I'm not going to talk too much about that. I will bring all the information when the time is due. Family, to celebrate our first 1,000 subscribers, we are going to be having this authentic fancy Eto cake. Yes, with our 500 we did Eto recipe, and now we turn it into a cake and cupcakes, and I will be sharing this recipe with you in my next upload. This is so good, family, and we are going to enjoy it on your behalf. How I planned this didn't really go well, because right now the Swedish government has really done like sort of a mini lockdown. Only 8 people are supposed to be meeting. I'm not feeling so great myself. I have a little bit of cold but yeah, please join me on my next upload and you will see how I was able to make this cake. But for now, we're going to enjoy it together with Papa Lovey Starch. Yes, and if you do not know, Papa Lovey Starch is on YouTube. He is Kweku Move TV, so please do well to join him and also subscribe to his channel and give him a lot of support. There's a lot of humor going on, lots of education and inspirational videos as well. So please try and subscribe to him, and let's grow his family as well. Okay, and now all that we have to do is to enjoy, and yeah, now enjoy our cake. What's that together? Kweku Move TV right here. Yes, so Move. Please do well to subscribe. Oh. And join him and support him as well. He is doing a lot of good works there. Kweku Move. Lots of inspirational messages and all wrapped in humor. So you're going to have fun as well. And you're going outside to, you know, have a walk. Hey, man, you're in Tema Wudi Jamiso. Please do well to subscribe and click on the little bell so that any new video that I drop, you for sure get noticed. I am truly thankful to all my beautiful family here. I am so amazed by you all. Thank you, and may God bless you. Bye.